If you were in Shillong's Police Bazar earlier in the day, chances are you might have bumped into Tourism Minister Paul Lyngdoh making an inspection of the iconic market area. Lyngdoh, amid his inspection, opened up to EastMojo about plans of revamping the Police Bazar.
This inspection is an offshoot of the meeting I had organized a week back on 2 points. One is declaration of parts of Shillong as pedestrian zones or walker zone, and the other is no honking zones. So Shillong has become very toxic in the sense that pedestrians, it's very difficult for them to walk across, and the amount of honking, blaring of horns taking place all across the city, even in front of major hospitals, that is something that we would like to tackle. The whole point is we can always come up with, can you hear the amount of honking? So I can't really hear you much of, nor can you hear me properly. So the point is, if we look for problems, there will always be problems. Now we are trying to identify solutions to those problems. And we have identified this as a major area that should be exclusively for pedestrians, because then only will you be able to ensure the safety of people using the road.
The idea is that there should be a way of trying to work together, and very strong opinion that vehicles, and it should be a no honking zone inside this commercial hub, and clearly a pedestrian zone is strictly what they are of the opinion. This is Princess Rashia for EastMojo.com in Shillong.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to East Mojo. For any queries, put them down in the comments section below and press on the bell icon for notifications.